Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Agent Tony Says, and today we're going to take a look at taking derivatives using the product rule of calculus. So here, as you can see, I've laid out the rules. It says that the derivative of some product, some f of x times g of x, basically it's the multiplication of two functions here. In order to find its derivative, we have to use the product rule of calculus. Now, its derivative, as you can see on the other side, is going to be as follows. It's f of x times g prime of x, which is the derivative of g, plus g of x plus f prime of x. Okay, so now we have our master formula here and an example problem to work with. Let's get to it and see what it looks like when we work this out. So first of all, we take our function, and let's call this function f of x, and this one g of x. This way we can keep straight what we're doing in the process of coming up with this answer here for the derivative of this function. Alright, so the first thing it says is I need f of x. So let's start piecing our answer together. Here goes f of x. F of x we said was 2 plus 3x squared times the derivative of g of x. So we need to take the derivative here of our g of x. We're going to use the power rule of calculus. That is, that the power gets multiplied to the coefficient of x, and we reduce the power by 1. Okay, so that looks like it's 3x squared. Alright, now plus g of x, which is this function here, x to the 3 minus 5, times the derivative of f of x, which is this function here. Okay, so the derivative looks like this. Power to the coefficient of x and minus 1 to the power. That gives you 6x. Okay, so now we're almost there. We've basically put our answer in this form. Now let's go ahead and see if we can simplify this to get it into its final form. We'll start by distributing this 3x squared. Multiply it to that 3x squared. It gives us what? 9x to the 4th. And we multiply this times 2. It's 3x squared times 2. You guessed it. 6x squared. Okay, now plus, we have some stuff on the other side here. Let's go ahead and distribute the 6x, multiply it times x to the 3rd. It gives us 6x to the 4th. And when we multiply 6x times negative 5, we get minus 30x. Cool. So we have most of our answer put together here. Let's go ahead and simplify it further. I'm going to collect like terms. I have these to the 4th power items here that I want to collect together. So we'll add them up. That makes 15x to the 4th. Then I have a 6x squared positive minus 30x. Nice. Looks like we're almost done. This could be reduced one more time by using the factor 3x, which would leave on the inside 5x to the 3rd plus 2x minus 10. And this is our final answer. We successfully took the derivative using the product rule. As we see here, it says that if we have a function f of x, which is a multiplier of these two different functions, f of x and g of x, then our answer is going to be found by using the product rule, like we just did here for this sample.